Hi, thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website you can improve your online presence, outright your competition, and of course get more basics. So let's start here with your website, have a pull up here. And the first thing that I always recommend is adding more content. In this case, more words. It has to be original, it has to be relevant, and it has to include the keywords that you're going to be found for, especially here on the homepage, because this is where most of the attention will be focused on. So more content with the keywords that you need to be found for will definitely help you. You can see that there's not too much of information right here besides the images. So definitely adding more content will help you to start to rank on those searches. So if I look at the back end of your website, you're being found for over almost 3,000 keywords. This is bringing you 576 visits a month to your website, and you have around 272 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are necessarily your website, and this will help you. They will give you power to your website so it can be found on Google. It will increase your domain rating and the URL rating. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. So you have hundreds and thousands of backlinks, but if they're not relevant, if they're not powerful, and most important, they're not targeting the keywords that you need to be found for, this can be completely useless. So just take a look at the keywords that you're being found for really quick, and you can see that there are keywords that you're being picked from your website and not exactly something relevant that can help. For example, this is very important. The actress MJ is 150 searches a month, and you're ranking the first page, which is climbed 17 spots in the last month. So this is bringing you from 150 is bringing you 3.7 visits to your website. Um, let's see another one which may be relevant. There's a lot of them that didn't really, they're not really that relevant. For example, this one, Monroe MJ. 30 searches a month, you're ranking number two, but there's not too many searches, right? So if I go and try to search the actress MJ on Google, you can see that, of course, the first thing you're going to see is the traditional Google Ads. This is where you pay every time somebody clicks on it. Then you have your um, map section, and regardless of your location, you can be here if you be ranking on this page, right? So if your profile is not optimized because you have what the competition has, you're probably not going to be here even if you're writing this page. Then we have the organic results, which is this is indicating paint, the rank number one, um, podiatry center, NJ, number two, number three, number four, number five, number six, number seven. You here, number eight. So for your reference, 67% of the people that do a Google search don't even pass this top three over here. They don't even go all the way down, not even to the second or third page. So you might be missing a lot of potential new patients in this case that I'm not seeing you here, but you're still on the first page. But why are these guys are bidding? Let's take a look at the website. And you can see they have more images, of course, that's more content. They're probably targeting the correct keyword on the homepage, and that's helping them as well. They have all these links over here, which is also helping a lot. They have the doctors, and even though they also have much of the content, I'm pretty sure they're targeting for the correct keywords. And if we look on the back end of their website, they're being found for over 4,000 keywords from their website. They have more backlinks, but you can see that this is not as much as you do. But again, these links probably are targeted for their keywords. So if we go here and look at who they're being found for, say if they're ranking number one for this specific one, and that's probably one of the backlinks that is giving them the power. This is another one really important, pediatric, pediatric near me. 1,300 searches a month, and they're ranking number 6. So that's helping them a lot. This one as well, the HMJ, 300 searches a month, they're ranking number 1. They're getting 63 in 66 and 85 is the traffic that's getting on your website. And all these are really important keywords they're tagging. So these are keywords with relevance to their website. So this is something that you probably don't have here. You can see what exactly can do, food.com, and if you compare these ones, they're tagging the correct keywords, and that's why they're ranking on that first page, especially with this keyword over here. So, I don't want to take too much of the time. If you like what you hear, we think we can help you out, or if you have any questions about how all this works, um, please let us know. Our information will be attached to your email, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.